Hello and welcome. So in this video we will be seeing another string method to remove some of the prefix from certain strings. So let's get started. Suppose you have an URL. Suppose you have the Google URL, Google underscore URL equals to https://google.com, something like that. Now you want to remove the part here like the https colon slash slash. So how you can do that? It is quite simple. So like we can use another variable called URL, or like removed prefixed URL, something like that, but I am writing just the URL, and then we can use Google URL dot, then remove prefix, and then you can pass the part which you want to remove. And for this one you have to pass the part which is in front of like which is starting the string, right? So I want to remove the https colon slash slash. I'm just copying that and then I will be pasting that here. And then what we can do, we can print the URL. Okay, and now if we run this program, there we go, we have only google.com. So you might be thinking, okay, I can just remove this part here, what is the matter? But suppose this part is coming from some different source, like some external API, and you do not have control over it, then you have the method to remove the prefix of the string. You can just remove the suffix as well. So again, uh, URL update, something like that, and then you can use Google URL dot remove. Again we have the suffix, and then I just want to remove the .com. Okay, and then save, and then we can print the URL underscore update. By the way, if you do not know how to copy this line, so I just use the shift and the alt and down arrow key, and it is copied. So just save that, and then if we run this program, we have uh, first of all we have the google.com, and second, when we use the remove suffix, then we have the part without this .com part. So https colon slash slash google.com. So just only Google part. So yeah, that was the method. Hope you enjoyed this video. And to get into the strings a bit more, because there are a whole lot of methods which are available in Python. So what you can do, just type this any variable which contains the string, like something like that, the Google URL and Google URL, and then press dot. And VS Code is pretty smart, and you will be able to see many of the methods. There are tons of methods, and just play around with that, what they do. You can see that. But I am trying to cover most of the the used methods which we use daily in the daily basis. So yeah, that is it. So I hope you are enjoying this series and enjoying this video. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one.